In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell services with WooCommerce on your WordPress site. Whether you're a freelancer, consultant, or small business owner, offering your services online can be a game changer in reaching more clients and streamlining your process. WooCommerce is typically known for selling physical products, but with just a few tweaks, you can use it to sell services seamlessly. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from setting up your service as a product to customizing the checkout experience for your clients. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu there. You'll see the Products option, hover over it, and click on Add New. This is where you'll create your service listing. Now, in the title field at the top, enter the name of the service you're offering. For example, you might type Website Audit or 1-Hour Consulting Call. Make sure the name is clear and descriptive so potential clients know exactly what they're getting. Below the title, you'll notice a large description box. Use this space to provide a detailed explanation of your service. Think about what your customers would want to know. What does the service include? What's the process like? What's the turnaround time? Be as clear and detailed as possible. This is your opportunity to sell the value of your service, so don't hold back. Next, scroll down to the product data section. Since you're selling a service and not a physical product, you'll need to check the box labeled Virtual. This tells WooCommerce that there's no shipping involved. Then in the General tab, you'll see a field for regular price. Enter the fee you want to charge for your service here. If you plan to offer discounts in the future, you can also add a sale price, but that's optional. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll find the option to upload a product image. While you don't necessarily need an image for services, having one can make your listing more visually appealing. You could use a branded graphic, a professional photo, or even a banner that represents the service. Once everything looks good, click the blue Publish button in the top right corner to make your service live on your site. Next, let's streamline the checkout process. Go to the Plugins section in your dashboard and click Add New. In the search bar, type Checkout Field Editor. Once you find the plugin, install and activate it. This plugin allows you to customize the checkout fields, which is especially important since you're selling services and not physical products. After activation, head over to WooCommerce in your dashboard and click on Checkout Form. You'll see different tabs for shipping and billing fields. First, click on the Shipping tab and disable all the fields. Since no physical products are being shipped, these fields aren't needed. Then go to the Billing tab and disable any unnecessary fields, such as company name or postcode. Streamlining the checkout form makes it quicker and easier for your clients to complete their purchase. Now that we've set up the product and optimized the checkout process, let's improve the communication with your clients. Go to WooCommerce in the dashboard, click on Settings, and then navigate to the Emails tab. Look for the email labeled Processing Order and click Manage. Scroll down to the Additional Content box and add custom instructions for your clients. For example, you can include a link to schedule their service or provide details on how they can send you the necessary files. Once you've added the instructions, click Save Changes. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store is now set up to sell services. By following these steps, you've created a professional and user-friendly experience for your clients. They can easily understand what you offer, complete their checkout with minimal hassle, and receive clear instructions on what to do next. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.